Has Canada entered a technical recession for the first time since 2020? 2026. Has Canada entered a technical recession for the first time since 2020? This sudden economic shift could impact your finances, jobs, and investments right now. Canada has officially dipped into a technical recession, defined as 2 consecutive quarters of negative GDP growth. This is the first time since the pandemic year of 2020 that the Canadian economy has contracted this way. It signals a slowdown in economic activity that often affects jobs, consumer spending, and business profits. According to Bloomberg, Canada's GDP shrank for a second straight quarter in early 2026, confirming the technical recession. The data shows that the economic output has declined, reflecting weaker consumer demand and ongoing pressures in key sectors. This downturn follows a period of recovery after the 2020 pandemic recession. The recession impacts Canadians across multiple industries, especially manufacturing and services. Job security may weaken as companies adjust to lower demand. Consumers may also face tighter budgets as inflation and economic uncertainty combine, affecting everyday spending and saving choices. Economists are closely monitoring whether Canada can rebound quickly or if this technical recession will deepen. Policy decisions, global economic conditions, and consumer confidence will play critical roles. The government and businesses may need to act swiftly to support growth and protect jobs. For Canadians, staying informed about economic trends is vital. Reviewing personal finances, reducing unnecessary spending, and planning for potential job market changes can help you stay resilient. Understanding how this recession affects your region and sector will guide smarter decisions. Canada's technical recession signals a shift you can't ignore. It could affect your job, spending power, and savings. Staying alert and prepared is key to navigating the months ahead. Subscribe now to get timely updates and expert insights on how this evolving situation impacts you.